What's going up, guys? Yeah, Gaming here, and sorry for not uploading this video like I was supposed to do yesterday, but I had to go to sleep because it was like past 12. You know, finals was the next day, which I did not go to. Totem, baby, totem. Oh, okay. Still scared the mess out of me. Let's do this. Get the totem later. I know what killer it is. Oh. Yes. So Monster Hunter came out today, yeah. What? Oh. Oh. Hey, come for me, Mikey. Let's go, Mikey. Come for more, Mikey. It'll be better than that. Oh. I can... Aww. You like my powers of level 9,000. It just runs away. Hey, like, gives us over 1 million. Oh. And the scholar says it's over 9,000. Let me heal you because you deserve a good heal. Let me rub those shoulders. Get the cracks out of your back, mate. There you go. Your back should be well unbruised. You know, it's not like you got cut or anything. You know. What? Okay. Thought I healed him. Weird. Hey, now you're what I say. Not as easy as this looks, huh? Nope. I'm gonna try to upload some Monster Hunter Worlds videos because I love that game so much. Started playing Monster Hunter back on the 3DS, and I started playing. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Come get me. Oh, get it. Let's go. Ah, you're too slow. Over here, mate. Turn around. You know you want it. You know you want it. You know you want me. Come and get me. What are you doing? You doing the mic? What are you? Fight me. Kill me. I am not worthy. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Limbo. Oh. Psych. You thought, mate. You thought. Go. Psych. Follow me. I'm outside. Out to the window. To the wow. Stop. This guy is such a baby killer. I'm gonna hide. Oh, get away from me. You're gonna give away my position, mate. Oh, never mind. You can get away my position. I guess I'm right behind you. Oh god. You still missed. Come on. Come on, Lee. Come on, Lee. Where did you come from? Oh no. Oh yes, they get to me that would have never. Oh. Guess it was over there. This guy does not want us. He might be getting a skill level up. But still, we gotta find that injured person. She should be around here somewhere. Oh, speak of the devil, I was just talking about you. Come here, but we can heal you. Let me rub her back as well. Get the cracks out. Look at her, a whole brand new back. I told you we were massages. Get blood all over you. Let's go. Need to stop going to the slaughterhouse. Oh, they should give these people a background story, like how they got here. I really want to see that. I know they probably did when they were, you know, the reads. But you know, I'm not a good reader, so give us a video. It's kind of amazing how he's not around here to stop me. Really amazing. I guess I'll just go open this door over here. That's kind of blues. Another sucky killer. It's nowhere to be found. So sucky. Could you be more? Oh. Okay. You wanna do that? Let's go. Whoa. Woo-ha. You suck. I gotta heal. Goodbye. Yeah, we did it, mate. Where you going? Going right to the killer. You will not defeat us. You will not defeat me. You hit him. You hit me, hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. He doesn't want me. He doesn't want me. This guy sucks. Alright, you hit her. Hit me. Be really. Oh, you hit me. Time to go. Let's go, man. Let's go. We out. We out. We out. We out. Let's check your level. Of course, the baby Michael. The baby Michael. Is there anything? Oh, why you poke that bulb, Alright. What killer is it now? What killer is there? I'm hoping it's Jigsaw, cause okay. It's Jigsaw. Finally, my first match with Jigsaw. Look at a little doll on the top. I can't wait. I hope he gets me. I mean, I hope she makes me. So nice. Oh hey, come help me with the generator. Yes, help me. We will not get far when we do it alone. So Jigsaw can crouch, I hear. And I see on most videos out here. She can charge at you like with a massive force. If you didn't notice, you probably already noticed. But if you didn't notice, Jigsaw is way powerful. Women versus women. He says that. Jigsaw out there and he's gonna kill us. Nothing else I do but the free bullets. I'm gonna stop. Let's follow her until we get to the next generator. I'll go another jigsaw machine. Hello. Let's do this, Jenny. Oh. Where are you? Oh. Oh, okay. Person should buy us time, so it should be good for a while. Just put a trap on her head. Just do it. There you go. Trap. Pick her up. Take her to a hook. Or just leave her down and wait for us to go get her, I guess. Still good. Time for me to be a hero. I need a hero. Ooh, ooh, I need a hero. Where is she? Oh, hi, Mark. And she charges at me with her rage of piggy power. Come on, piggy. Oh, nice. She needs a hero. Oh, hey, piggy. She goes back down to the instance. Piggy power. Oh. And she didn't see me. You didn't see me pass you, mate. You thought you got me. You thought you got me. And you thought, but you never got me. And I'm still full health to the night. I need a piggy. I'm holding on to a piggy at the end of the night. You can't see me dance in the cornfield. How could you not be such a noob? Piggy power. Come to me, I'll help you.
Let's feel this.
What? You talk in your sleep? Amazing. I'm gonna make him watch this video later. He's out here talking in his sleep. Hopefully I got that in there. Okay. She left. Look at her time is taking. No, I think there's like 10 minutes on the headset gear, I'm not sure. It's kinda cool, she got a headset gear, where's mine? Look at that. Ooh. Look at those hands get cut up. I wonder what's in those. I think it's in the movie, I'm not sure. I haven't watched the new Jigsaw yet, I'm still waiting. And there's someone else down. And it makes the laugh and everything. Amazing. On to the next one now. Onward! Avasti! She's cutting her hands up. She keeps messing up. You can know what she's doing. Oh, look at that. Oh, you're gonna die. There's no one gonna save you now. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. I thought a piggy. I ran away. I got away from the piggy. You're gonna die. Piggy, 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 can't you see? Sometimes you charge a little bit for me, and I just hate that. Oh! Got you. Piggy. I'm gonna watch you die. And when you do, I'm gonna... Uh-oh. She did not see her go in the closet, but she saw me. You thought you got me with that. You thought. Come on, Biggie, let's go for a run. She's gonna die while she's in that locker just sitting there. She has to get that off her head. Oh. Never mind. And she's about to kick. Just kick the generator. Okay. Piggy. It's fearless. There's a hook right here. I must guard it. Come to me, Piggy. Run away from me, Piggy, I guess. Hey, Berkeley. You wanna chill with me as I make the video? Oh. Okay, now I can run. I heard her crouch. I saw you crouch. You are nothing compared to me, my child. I am Claudette. Roll the ball games. Okay, the next time I'm gonna try to take the hit. Nah, I gotta go. I must go. Hold a second. This is her third time on the hook, right? Yeah, it is. If she picks her up and throws her in the hook, she's gone. She's dead. Gotta help her up. You're gonna die. I'm gonna get you up real quick. Alright, I'll take the hit. Hit me. Hit her. I must go. My children awaits. Oh. 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 Why? I thought we were friends. What have you done? What have you done? Uh-oh. If she gets me, she's gonna want to kill me. I did too much to her. I did too much. Too much! No! See, I knew it. See, I knew it. I knew it. Pick her up, not me. I knew it. I did too much. I'm gonna die. Run! Get out of here! She's gonna survive, watch. She sucks. She broke the pallet, of course. Look at me looking like someone's pet. Oh, a free pet. What a mask. 30 headset gear is mine. I'm free. I gotta get rid of it as he is ticking already. I'm not about to die. Screw that. I'm not about to die. Good Guado.
Wow.
Oh. Where's the piggy? Kill me. The piggy will be here soon. Oh, she dies. She dies. Huh. Oh no, that's not her. It is. Oh.
Okay, now what did I say?
Oh, hi, Mart. You said, what did you say in your sleep?
Yes.
You'll find out in the next video. In this video. This video's about to end. Heal me. Oh!